Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rizwan, and I will be showing you how we can automate some of those day-to-day tasks. As a lecturer, we sometimes needs to send email, a repetitive email to our students. One of the use case could be in a scenario where we are supervising students and we need to know their progression for their dissertation, and we need to send them email every week to understand their or to get some updates of their dissertation, and we need to email. So that's the use case. And to mimic this task, I'm using 3 emails only, but that could be hundreds of email. That's not a problem. I use these 10 minutes email service to mimic it. I can request for more 10 minutes. So I need an inbox for 10 minutes. So this service can provide us 10 email box for 10 minutes. So I'm using those ones. I can request give me 10 more minutes. So this email will be same, and I will continue for 10 minutes to get this email. I have my email here. Just I will show you later on. So this is my email. These are some fake emails and I use only 3. What we can do first thing is that we need to upload this Excel file in the OneDrive, any Microsoft's OneDrive, whatever you are using. But I believe the institution you are working, that they should have the license for Power Automate to for these tasks to work. If you open your Excel file, you will click on automate section. You will not see this automate button if your university does not purchase the license, or else you will see it. And then click on automate work. If you click on automate work, it will open the flow from Power Automate. I will go at the bottom and click on see all templates. It will take me to the Power Automate, and then I can choose from very scratch, or I can work. I will be using this ones here. I can say I want to create here. I can choose any of those templates, but what I will be doing is I will create from very scratch. So I will click on create, and because I want my email to be sent on a scheduled timing, and this is why I do not need someone to trigger it. I want that to happen on a schedule. So I will click on schedule Cloudflow, click on that one. It will ask me name, so I will say a progression progression. I can say starting time and date. I can give any date and time. I can say repeat every minute, every second. For demonstration purpose for today, I will do it for every second today and so on. So I will create that one. It will create a blank flow here. Then I will click on this on this button here, and I need to, first of all, I need to go to the Excel. So if I click on Excel, that means this should have access to my Excel file. What I will choose is list rows present in a table, meaning here I have a list, correct? So these are the emails I need to send, and this is the name. So this is why I will choose a list rows present in the table. When I click that one, I need to provide the location of the Excel file. So I will click on that. The location is OneDrive for Business. Then the location document library is on OneDrive. Under OneDrive, I have multiple folders. So under this folder, my so this Excel file is email 1, and I will choose this one here. And then it's asking what table. So very important thing here is this: it should be it shouldn't be any just normal data. It should be under a table. So or you select the all of the data you select. So you select the all data like this, and then click on insert and then table. Usually I have done it previously, like before I start, but I forgot to mention this one. So you need to create a table first. The format should be in table format. If it's not in a table format, it will not work. Very important. So the table name is already there. The name could be anything, but for my case, the table name is recipients. If you check here in the table, the name, oops, the name of the table, where is it? The name of the table is recipient. When I have uploaded, it was in home section. It shows here. I cannot find it when I have uploaded. Anyway, that's not a problem, but whatever name it is, it should be that one, and you don't need to fill those ones, and that's it. So that is done for the this section. Now let me just double check if it do we have time. Let me request for more 10 minutes, and also from here get 10 minutes more. Okay, so that this is done. Now what I need to do is I need to connect this Excel file with the email. I will click on plus button here, and then I will go for email. It will find out, so send an email version 2. I will click on that one. Now, so this is very interesting. So now what I will do is I need to use dynamic option, meaning it will send individually to the people. So what I will click on this one here, dynamic content, and then click on this icon, and then it will figure out. You need to find out your your email list. So my email list, you need to click. Sometimes you don't see it, so click on see more. Some of those information are predefined. I don't know why it's predefined. So in my Excel file, if you see my Excel file, one is first name, another one is email. So these are the two columns. I will choose email, so that means it is actually picking up all the emails row by row, and then I can say the subject line could be anything. I can say a progression report for, and when I'm saying for, after for I can add up the name of the students. So I can click on more, first name. So first name, so it will take the first row of the first name, first row from the first name column, and it will send it. So the email and first name will be same. I can write down the email here like dear, then I will click on this one, so it will pick up from the student's name, and then I can say I hope you are doing well, can you please give me update of your progress. Just very short ones I'm giving. So that means here it's dynamically changed. The email will be changed for each email. So Rahi will his email is this one we are assuming, and so on. So if that's the case, and we don't need to do anything here, that's all for now. We can see that it's connected to my email address because I have created the whole thing from my Excel file. So, and that's it. I can save this one. That's everything we need to do. It says you are allowed to record at most 160 seconds. I think we can change it to 1 minute, and that will be fine. Save it. That's it. Now for testing purpose, what I can do is I can go to test. I will test it manually, just to see if it is working. Test, and it should actually run the flow, and this should run. So it says your flow successfully started. To monitor it, go to flow page. So I can go to this flow page, and I can see it has been succeed. Now I can check in this one here. So that means every 1 minute this tool should send an email. So let's see, can you see this one here? It is saying progression for report for Kabir, dear Kabir, and so on, and it's sending from my email. I can check this one. So this should be the second one, if you remember. It is sending it, and for every minute it's sending, we can change. So it's saying to sending it to Rahi with customized subject line and dear Rahi. And it also sent email to me as well. I don't want to open it anyway. So this is how we can automate our day-to-day task. So this actually help us as a lecturer to reduce our workload to the automation, and we can focus on something more important. Thank you very much for watching the video, and hope this helps.